Hello, my dears. Now we are starting uh, uh, events. So, first of all, we will discuss about on-click event. Okay. So, on-click event is an event when we click some element like button, like any text. So, style change will occur. So the style will change. Okay. So suppose if we click this button, click me, so this heading color and the properties of this heading should be changed. Image should be, the size of image should be changed, some image should be appear, etc, etc. So you have to apply the CSS property using the script inside the HTML. So that is the easy concept. So if we look to this code, okay, and we open, so document.get element by id x1. So x1 is actually the id for this heading, and it is styled using JavaScript. So style color red, and border is also set. Okay. So what if we apply the events? So this is one time. If we see this code, this is one time. So clicking on applying the click event. So whenever we want to change the color or any property or apply any CSS property to document in runtime, so using event we can do it easily. So suppose we produce the event for this button, click me. Okay. So what you will do, you will write inside on click. So what should happen on click? So document dot get id, get element by id, and which id? So what you want to change on this on click event? x1 is the id for the heading. Okay. And what you want to do? Style, you want to change the style dot color. So inside style we can change the border, can change the size, font size, decoration. If we want to make the decoration of like anchor text to be non-display any property, CSS property. So I want to change the color and I want to make it as a suppose black. Okay. So this should, so I save it. If I refresh the browser, so by default this property is applied, and when I press this, you can see the color become black. So if I refresh, so again this become red, and when I click, so it becomes black again. Okay. So if we want to change more properties, you can easily do that. Okay. Or like we want to make another event on this, such that when we press this click me button, so this border should be disappear. Like at the moment only the color of this heading become black, change, but this should also be disappear. So how we can do that? So it's very easy. We will put comma here. Okay. And we will start writing document dot get element by id x1 dot style dot border is equal to none. Okay. So let's see, we have copied document dot, so you don't need to write on click again. This is opening and comma, and closing is now here. Okay. So You can see now the color change and the border disappear. Okay, so if you want to make another change, like you want to change the font size, so you will copy here same code. Okay, and what you will write, you will write dot style dot font size. Font size is equal to like 15 pixels. Okay, now it become reduced. Okay, so likewise you can to your images, you can make changes to your inputs. Just you want to write the on click, so it become very easier. Suppose we want to make change to this. Okay, so these are the anchor tags. So you see where are these anchor tags here. Okay, so what you will do, you will take the id. Okay, you will take the id. For example, the id we want to make it simple, like id is aa. So what we will, so this is the id for this image, but rather we take this id for we delete for here and make it for the this link Pepsi, www.pepsi, about Pepsi, and text decoration on TK property for this A. So if we refresh it, so it is underlined. So when we click it, so not only this one change, but this one also change, and text decoration is not. Now text decoration property is now not, so it is not underlined. Okay, if we want to make it for all of these, so easily we will assign it to the some common class, like we make